What's going on, guys? We'll get started in about a minute or two. What's going on, guys? All right. This is the 4-box break. So we are only doing 4 boxes, even though there's an 8-box inner. For the Unparalleled break. So you can see it's coming out of this inner. But we're only doing 4 boxes. The other 4 we'll be doing, I think, Monday. Monday, I believe. There we go. 4 boxes. Good luck. Nick Bosa at 150, Niners. Von Miller, Broncos. Kenny, how's it going, man? Good luck to you as well. DJ Moore, Panthers. 75. Patriots. Joquan Williams. Joquan Williams. Never heard of him. Joquan Williams. Rams, Darrell Henderson. LA Rams, Darrell Henderson. Saquon Barkley out of 200, I believe. Yeah, 200 Giants. It's going to be Darrell Henderson again for the Rams. At 129. Isaac Rochelle at a 25. Chargers. Chiefs, Darwin Thompson, 200. Last pack of the box. Tyler Boyd, Bengals, 200. Daniel Jones. That's going to do it for box number 1. Box number 2. Patrick Mahomes, Chiefs, 25. Very nice. Mahomes at 25 for the Chiefs. Top load that. DeAndre Walker out of 100 Titans. Jordan Howard, Eagles, 150. Got a hit in this one. Drake, Dolphins. Allie Cox, Colts, 129. Drake, who is now on the Cardinals, but that is going to go to the Dolphins. Colts, Penny Harts. Colts. Penny Harts. Once again, not sure who he is. Who is Penny Harts? Devontae Adams, Packers. Not numbered. Watch out. New York Giants, Daniel Jones. 75. Very nice hit for the Giants. And it doesn't want to fit. Daniel Jones. Very nice. Congrats, Giants. Kozer, 200 Raiders. Brian Burns, Panthers. 150. Darrell Henderson again, Rams. 129. Next box. Philippe, don't you have the Giants? I know you usually get the Pats, but I thought you got the Giants too this time. Riley Giants, 200. Zadarius Smith, Packers, 150. Leonard Floyd, Bears, 129. Alex Arma, Panthers, 75. Nice, man. Congrats. Sony Michel, Patriots. The 100. Astral. Rams, Dakota Allen. 200. Well, you're basically free rolling with the other 4 then. Patriots, Jared Stidham. Jared Stidham. I think you have the Pats too, so you're getting all the hits. Rodgers, Packers. That's numbered. Once again, Jared Stidham out of 75 Patriots. Nice 3-color patch. It's too thick. Drew Lock out of 150 Broncos. Last sack, and then we got one more box to go. Singletary, Bills, 129. All right, good luck. Last box. Last box. Benny Snell, Steelers, 129. Chargers, Joey Bosa, 150. Joey Bosa, 150. Darius Geis, Redskins 200. Philip Lindsay, Broncos 200. Hopkins, Texans 75. Randy Moss, 75, Patriots. I will do a recap, and then I will look for the Galactic. I don't think we're going to get it. John Ursa, Seahawks. We had the Galactic already, so I don't think we're going to get a Galactic out of this. But I will look just to make sure. Lions, TJ Hawkinson, 150. Detroit Lions. Penny Hart Colts, 150. Alright, last pack, guys. Jason Sanders out of 129 for the Dolphins. So I'll do a recap, and then I'll look for the Galactic, just in case there's possibly a Galactic. We'll take a look. TJ Hawkinson, Lions. John Ursa, Seahawks. Joey Bosa, Chargers. Stidham, Patriots. 75. Stidham, Patriots. Michelle, Patriots. 150. Daniel Jones, Giants. 75. Penny Hart, Colts. Kenyon Drake, Dolphins. Darrell Henderson, Rams. Joe Juwan Williams, Patriots. And Von Miller, Broncos. So I'm going to look real quick just in case there's a Galactic by chance. I don't think there's going to be one, but it's hard to do when you're not all turning the same way too. But either way, if I do miss it, you guys are going to get the cards. So it's not like you wouldn't get it. But pretty sure it's not going to be, because this inner came from a master case, and we already hit the Galactic in the other inner. I'm pretty sure it's just one per master case. I don't think it's one per inner case. Yep, I didn't think there would be one. So that will do it, guys. Thank you.